This video shows you how you can put an animal movement off and back on the same holding on the same day using the single off and on uploads and downloads function. Use this option when you take an animal to and from a show or to a market when it returns unsold. You would do this once the animal has returned to your holding. If the animal is sold at market and doesn't return, only report the off movement. The on movement is the market's responsibility. Watch our video on how to report movements on and off the cattle tracing system online. To use CTS Online, you'll need to be registered for the Government Gateway and enrolled on CTS Online. If you're not registered or enrolled or can't remember how to log in, there are videos that will help you on the Rural Payments Agency YouTube webpage in the CTS Online playlist. You should then access CTS Online using www.bcms.gov.uk. To add the movements, click Uploads and Downloads. Click the middle round button to indicate movements or deaths. At the bottom of the page, where it says Uploaded Movements Deaths, select Click Here link and it will take you to a new page. Type in the full ATAG number. Click on the calendar icon to choose the correct movement off and on date. Choose the off and on holding movement type from the drop-down list. Once you hit Add to List, the movement will go to the box below. Check the details you have entered. If you've made any errors, click on the round button to choose to either edit or delete. If you're happy with the entries, click Send. This will take you through to the submission page. If indicated, click Submit to send the information to BCMS. If you would like to check that the off and on movements have been sent to BCMS, click on View Cattle Summary and scroll down to the Recorded Events table at the bottom of the page. This report will show in both the off column and on column as submitted but not yet processed.